how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, you will see second option is Connected Devices. Click on Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, click on Connection Preference. After click on Connection Preference, click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, you will see turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart device from here. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app and search Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on Settings app, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset option. After click on Reset option, click on Reset Network Setting. After click on Reset Network Setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.